Hi students, today we are going to see about applications of perimeters and areas problem. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path is 5 meter is to be built outside and around it. So I will draw a figure. So let you consider it as a rectangular garden since it is given a 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. The path 5 meter is built around it. So 5 meter, the path around it they filled for a 5 meter extra. You can see this, all the four set 5 meter. I will draw the path. So this is the path around the garden, 5 meter. So what is this total length? Up to this is 90. Here is the 5 and here is the 5. So totally 90 plus 5 is 100 meter. Same here, this is the 75 and this part is 5 meter and this part is 5 meter. 75 plus 5 is a 85 meter, right? So find the area of the path. We have to find only this area, right? How to find this area, what shape it is. It is easy to find, like if you find this whole area and let me subtract with the garden. If you subtract with the garden, we will finding this remaining area. Clear? And also find the area of the garden in hectare. So first let me find the area of the garden, then we can find from the total rectangular shape, then we can find the area of the pot, right? So garden length is 90 meter and the breadth is 75 meter. So area of garden is length into breadth, which is 90 into 75. We will get as a 6750 meters square, right? So to find the area of the path, we have to subtract from this full area of the garden including the path minus area of the garden, right? Area of a path is equal to area of garden including path minus only the area of the garden, right? Area of the garden including path is this total length into breadth. We have to find this, right? So let me change as L1 and B1 and let it be the L2 B2 minus the area of the garden we found as a 6750. So here the L2 is 100 and it is 85. So 100 into 85 minus 6750. 100 into 85 is 8500 minus 6750. So if you subtract, we will get as a 1750, right? So 1750 meters square. So area of a path is equal to 1750 meters square. So they asked find the area of the path and also find the area of the garden in hectare. We know the area of the garden is 6750 meter, but they asked to find the hectare. So hectare we have to change the unit. So 1 hectare is equal to, we know that it is a 10,000 meter square, right? So 1 hectare is a 10,000 meter square. We know the area of the garden is 6750 meter square. Area of garden is equal to 6750 meter square. To change to the hectare, it will become a division, right? So 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectare, right? So we have to divide 6750 divided by 10,000. So just for digit you have to keep a decimal from the unit place. 1 2 3 4 0.675 hectare. Clear? So here we come for the next problem. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of a side 30 meter. Find the area of the path. So built along the border and inside the square garden is there. So inside the square garden and outer there is a path. Let me draw it. So consider the inside there is a square garden with a path 1 meter is there. This is 1 meter, 1 meter. This length is also 1 meter, and this is also a 1 meter. So path 1 meter wide built along the border and inside square meter of the side 30 meter. So total is the 30 meter. Since it is square, all the sides will be the square, same sides. So this will be the, so full length is 30 meter. So this is removed and this part is removed. This is 1 meter and this is 1 meter removed. So the 2 meter is removed. Then it will be a 2 meter gap is there. Then it will be a 28 meter. So we have to find the area of the path. So this area of this path we have to find, right? That means the area of the square including the garden and the path and the area of this square alone, right? So area of a path is equal to area of garden including path minus area of garden, right? So area of garden including path is a 30 meters. So 30 into 30, since it is a square, side into side, minus the garden is a 28. So 28 into 28, 30 into 30 is a 900, minus 28 into 28 is a 784. So if we subtract, we will be getting as 160 meters square, right? So area of the garden including the path is a square shape. The square side into side is 30 into 30. With that we are subtracting this in a square garden, 28 into 28, 784. If we subtract, we will get 160 meters. So we found the area of the path. So next we have to find the cost of planting a grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. So in the garden they are planning to plant a grass. It costs a rate 40 per meter square. So this is for the first one, and for second one, cost of planting grass in 1 meter square is rupees 40. So totally how much is the area of the garden? Area of the garden is equal to 784 meter square, right? So then for total this 784 we have to pay. So 1 meter square it is a 40. For 784 meter square we have to multiple. Cost of planting grass for 784 meter square is 40 into 784. So if you multiple, we will get it as 31,360 rupees. So it will cost 31,360 rupees to plant a grass in that square garden. Find the area of the shaded portion. We have to find this area. Actually this is don't have a fixed shape like in a rectangle, square, circle or triangle, parallelogram. But we can see that here the whole is given as rectangle. Since it is in 18, on top is also you can see 10 plus 8, 18. Here the 6 plus 4, 10, height is 10 centimeter. So whole shape is like a rectangle, and this is like a two triangles. Rectangle have a 90 degree at the corner and two triangles. So it is easy to find from the whole rectangle. We have to subtract this two triangle. Then it will be easy, right? So area of, we have a name, so let me name it. Here the shaded portion is a EFDC. EFDC is equal to area of rectangle. What rectangle? ABCD. ABCD minus area of triangle. Let me choose this triangle AFE minus area of triangle, this right side triangle EBC. So we know the rectangle area is the length into breadth. This is the length 18 and breadth is 10. 18 into 10 minus area of triangle half into base into height. So let me consider this as a base, then it will become a height, perpendicular, right? So 10 into 6 minus again half into, in this triangle this is the base, let me consider, and this will be the height. So half into 8 into 10. So this we can cancel for 3 times, 4 times. We will be getting it as 18 into 10 is 180, minus 3 into 10 is 30, minus 4 into 10 is 40. So 30 minus 40 is a 70, 180 minus 70 is a 110 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded portion is 110 centimeter square. Clear? Thank you.